So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a fake water. It means it looks like water, but it's not that transparent, and it doesn't have like ocean modifier or any kind of material that is kind of water, but still it looks like water, especially for like 3D cartoons, not in like realism, but still it is good for 3D videos, especially like 3D cartoons, I guess. But it's pretty good. If it's not an animation, I think it's even good for realism. But when it moves, you're gonna see that it looks like a cartoon. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna scale this default cube, S to scale, and then Shift Z so that it doesn't go up, just left and right, but not up and down. Click, and then I'm gonna go to edit mode, Control R for loop cut, scroll up to make it 2 loops, and click, and then S to scale it again. This time you're gonna press Y so that it just moves like this. Okay, and then again we're gonna make loop cut on this side, and two of them. Click, this time S and then X. Okay, so yeah, this is what we get. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose this face selection mode. Click on this face, the top face. I'm gonna extrude. Press E, and then I'm gonna bring it down. Okay, and click. And having that face selected, I'm gonna go to well, where are we going? I'm gonna go to material, and I'm gonna click on plus, add new, and then I'm gonna choose kind of blue color, and then I'm gonna click on assign. Okay, now if we go back to object mode and go to material preview mode, we can see the outside is white and the inside part or the water part is blue. Now we're gonna make the water look like actual water. Okay, so this is the material 001, that is water. So having that material selected, we're gonna go down here and let's see what we can do. We can just adjust the color for now. So this is the color, or maybe darker, I don't know. Let's keep it a little dark, and then we're gonna go to shading here. Okay, once we are here, what we can do is we're gonna add a node. First, you can zoom in. Okay, go to add, search, and then bump. Choose bump, bring it here, and connect this normal to this normal. Right now, it doesn't show you any difference, because we need one more node. Go to add, search, and then noise texture. I'm gonna go here, connect the factor to height. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Now it still doesn't look any different, but if you play with this thing here, the strength here Okay, it's okay. Keep it 1. Now go to distance. Now, if you go to distance, look at this. It already looks like water. And what we can do is go to this material and go to this roughness, decrease the roughness. Okay, decrease more, and you can see it already looks like water. Or you can also play with this scale, noise scale, you know. Okay, and then also the detail here. And also the distortion. Keep it simple, don't do too much. And also play with the roughness, just decrease the roughness, I guess. And it looks shiny because of maybe sunlight. Okay, and yeah, I think that looks cool. If you go back to layout, and then if you go here on render preview mode, you can see looks great. What you can do is go to slide, increase the power to maybe 4000 and bring it a little up. Okay, as you can see, this looks great. What you can do is go to add mesh and plane and then increase the size. Okay, that looks even better. What you can do is, yeah, okay, that looks great. And also what you can do is choose the plane, go to edit, choose edge selection mode, choose this edge, E to extrude. Let's make it go up, and then again choose this edge, extrude, go up. Okay, and you can give these two edges, I mean the faces, go to face selection mode and give these two edges different colors. Hold the shift key while selecting these two faces, plus, and then add new, and we're going to keep it white maybe. Okay, oh sorry, it's, you need to assign, okay. Okay, so as you can see, you have created kind of a swimming pool. That looks great. Indoor swimming pool. You can also change this color to a little bluish. I think you need that, isn't it? Yeah. So this looks great. All you need to do is play with the lighting. Right now it's good for me. I can also try sun and then change the strength to maybe 20 or maybe 10. But that doesn't look good. I'm gonna go back to point and change the power to maybe 5000. Okay, and bring it a little here, or maybe bring it down. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. You can just play with the render settings here, which is not necessary, but it's just right now it looks too I don't know, shiny or something. You can just go and edit on shading and make it look better. It looks good here, but with the lighting, the only problem here is lighting. Okay. We can play with the roughness here and strength. Yeah, roughness, and yeah, it looks like water now. It looks great. Okay. Looks great. Uh, yeah, it looks good to me. I hope you like this one, the water effect in Blender. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.